Tagore is an integrated social networking platform which allows you to get connected with authentic people and authentic companies. One of our products is Tagore Connexo. It helps you to search jobs, post classifieds, search for your peers and friends. Download our mobile apps from Play Store, Tagore, Tagore Pro, Tagore Explore, Tagore Ads. And follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and LinkedIn. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tagore.
Hi, my name is Afroz. We are from Aslam Enterprises and I look after the advertising part of Aslam Enterprises. We are a manufacturer of hospital furniture since past 25 years now. And we have more than 200 plus products, and they're all premium products that you won't find anywhere else in the market. 5-function beds, right from 5-function beds to curtain partitioning, all kinds of trolleys, SS trolleys, powder coated trolleys, scrub sinks, even curtain partitioning. So it's a kind of all-in-one solution under one roof. And we have a manufacturing unit at Patancheru, and we'll be soon moving to Medical Devices Park. So we are expanding 3 times more the production capacity than what we have right now. So yeah, we're looking at constant innovations to bring you the best kind of products, patient-friendly, user-friendly, and pocket-friendly too. Thank you so much.
My name is Varun Kohli, and we are running a surgical industries right now on the name of Sign Life Industries, and we are working on this company from past 15 years. And basically we are working on sterilization products. All these are sterilizers. These are, you can see all the sterilizers of different sizes. We are working on this, and some other models are also there. Fumigation products, suction machines we have, and other products like X-ray view box, instrument sterilizer, dressing drums, all other products we have right now. And basically we are looking for a vast business over South India, and we are basically working on finished goods only, and we are working with the Hyderabad companies from past 10 years, and also running industries on the name of Sign Life Industries in Saibabad Industrial Area Site 4, and looking for basic opportunities with the current market procedures and the development of the market. We are also developing our products regularly on a regular basis. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Myself Jagdish from ADA Diagnostics Private Limited. I am the CEO of this company. Basically, we are the manufacturers of all biochemistry, diagnostics, hematology reagents, and we are the importers of instruments like cell counter and semi-auto analyzers. Thank you. Good morning, sir. Myself JK from AVK Associates. We are the independent distributors of Energic company, Japanese company, Kangen Water Mission. Thank you.
Hi all. This machine is not a water purifier or not a filter. This is a water ionizer, which is scientifically proven by the Japanese technology, and it is from last 46 years plus. From this you can get 7 different types of water which can really regain your health with water. So that means it directly works and heals your body with water. Why? Because our body contains 75% of water, and the water what you are drinking is a most healthy drinking water, where you get from the really natural mountains and natural water mountains. You get an antioxidants property in this, and you get a microclustering water. That means the water which get penetrate in your body within 9 minutes. And a third property is your body pH levels will maintain, and it is in an alkalized stage. So these 3 properties of water can be drink by your healthy for you and for your family, so that all the diseases, all the disorders of the health can be cured and heal themselves by repairing their cells. Thank you very much. Change your water, change your life.
Hello, this is Gaurav Verma from Super Electro Optics. This is a company based in Delhi, and we are mainly into medical equipment manufacturing. So we are manufacturing medical OT lights, OT tables, and fiber optic light sources. And this is a 40 years old company, and started manufacturing since 1985. So this is our complete product range. We are manufacturing OT lights, OT tables, and fiber optic light sources, LED phototherapy, and we are specialized into that field. So if any hospital has any requirements or any kind of special requirements like camera and additional monitor attachment, then we also make according to that. Yeah? Thank you.
Hi, my name is Parth Gupta, and I'm a partner at the company. The company's name is All Heavens Exim. We are manufacturers of medical apparels and we are based out of New Delhi. We have our manufacturing unit in Bhavana industrial area. We, as you can see, we manufacture apparels for leading hospitals in Delhi. All disposable items such as surgeon gowns, bed sheets, pillow covers, aprons, drapes, bedrolls, basically all disposable items for hospitals. Currently, we are providing government hospitals in Delhi like Lok Nayak, AIMS, Safdarjung, RML, etc. We are here taking part in the Medical Expo for the first time. Since we are mostly adhering to the north market, we are now trying to experiment how the southern market works. So this is our first time in South. Let's see how we go about here.
Hello, I'm from Easy Care. We are from Mumbai and we are into home healthcare products. Like many products in this COVID time, many now people have learned about the products, about the home healthcare, that is blood pressure instruments, nebulizers, pulse oximeters, oxygen concentrators, and wheelchairs also, and all type of many products. We have nearly about 200 products around us. Our company is nearly 30 years old and it is established in Mumbai, and we are trying to give better service, better quality to the people and serve them. We are based in Mumbai and situated at near CST station. Our website is www.easycareglobal.com. Please do visit and check our products. Thank you so much.
Yeah, hi everyone. This is Irfan Mohammed. So I am the area sales manager for entire Andhra Pradesh. And today we are here in Hightex exhibition, Hyderabad. After a long gap, after 2 years of COVID, tough situation, we have participated in this stall. So Indus Critical Care, the authorized dealers for Hyderabad. I am the direct employee of Traeger, area sales manager. So we have a medical equipments, capital equipments like ventilators, anesthesia machines, OT lights, pendants, bedhead panels, and dedicated neonatal ventilators, universal ventilators. So we can display all our wide range of products to all the doctors. After 2 years of gap, they are physically seeing the machines, they are getting trained, they are getting knowledge. So see, Traeger is a German product and manufacturer from German company. This is a purely international company. So we have head office in Mumbai, head office sub-branch in Chennai. So when coming to she is my colleague Lavanya and these are my colleagues Dinakar. Okay. When coming to ventilators, we have adult and pediatric ventilators. Okay. We have anesthesia machines. We have a dedicated neonatal ventilators. We have universal ventilators like adult, pediatric and neonatal. And we have a huge install base throughout the entire corporate setups like Apollo, Care, Rainbow, Fernandez and every hospitals. We have head office in Mumbai and Traeger in Chennai office.
We are authorized distributor for Traeger India. So our office is situated in Hyderabad, Dilshuk Nagar.
Yeah. Hello, I'm Annapurna CM from Bangalore Medical Systems. I'm the product specialist for ambulance at BMS, and we are from Bangalore, and we are providing ambulance fabrication and design as well, along with mainly with medical equipments, and we supply all types of life-saving equipments along with ambulance. And this is our ambulance, ALS ambulance, and not just ALS, we provide medical first responders, patient transport, BLS, ALS, all types of ambulances, right from vehicle design, fabrication and everything till providing the medical life-saving equipments. We do everything, and we are one of the very few companies which do all the same. And this is our ambulance. We provide best quality items and products in our ambulance to have the ambulance ready for patient in case of emergencies and everything. As you can see, we have a unique design and ergonomic work area inside the ambulance to provide the best services for the patient in the ambulances. Yeah, thank you.
Hello, I am Jigar Shah, Director at Mold Injection Technologies Private Limited. As you can see, our brand, Kyrex Biomedical, it specializes in biomedical waste bins. We are a leading supplier to all premier and other hospitals in India. We are making color-coded biomedical bins. Color-coded biomedical bins are a must made by the government of India, and it is very essential in collecting and segregating the biomedical waste that is generated in every hospital, clinic, pathology, and we are playing our part to educate hospitals and leading clinics and supplying world-class products. Our products are being supplied not only in India but throughout the world. We have happy customers in UK, Australia, USA, South America, Panama, and African countries. We have pan presence all over India. In Hyderabad, we have a distribution channel, and we can also be reached online through IndiaMart for B2B and through Amazon and Flipkart for B2C. So if there is any requirement for the products, we are always available online, offline, and through our business channel partners. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Prachi and my designation is Sales Executive. I'm from Silicon Meditech Private Limited that is based in Surat, Gujarat. We are importers and as well as manufacturer of accessories and OT tables, equipments, ECGs, monitors and all.
Hi, this is Xavier Med Private Limited. We are a company who have a concept of promoting the medical equipment digitally with an offline marketing for physical demonstrations and sales. We have a unique catalog design for doctors because in our website we have more than 2000 products and it's very impossible for anyone to have a look at all the products or browse through all the products in the website. So we have designed a digital catalog where the doctor can download the catalog, and once the catalog opens up with the tap of the finger on any product he wants, he'll be directed directly to our website. And once he comes to the website, he can just inform us which product he wants a demonstration for and to be done. And our concept is to have different showrooms in different areas. Like we have our first primary showroom in Hyderabad. Now we are opening showrooms in Vijayawada, Kurnool and Aurangabad. And we are planning a pan-India expansion. We are planning a pan-India expansion for our products because the scope for medical equipment is enormous.
We are from MediGlobeTech and we are located in Ghaziabad, UP. And we are manufacturer of LED light source, endoscopy camera, and ENT treatment unit, ENT OPD unit. We have lots of own manufacturing. So basically we have completed our 3 years and right now we are here in India Med Expo and it's a great opportunity for us to show all these products, and thank you so much.
Hi, good afternoon. We are from Desco Medical India. We are a star export house. We are recognized by Government of India, and our company, we specialize in manufacturing for ambulance products, hospital furniture, anesthesia products. So we are covering a big range. Mostly we are exporting to more than 90 countries. And now from last 2 years, we are doing for the export market in a big way. And now for domestic market, we are getting a very good response, particularly as the highways a lot more developed in India now. So there is a big and huge demand after COVID for the ambulance products. So we have a big range for ambulance products, and then for the COVID range also complete we are doing. We are basically a one-stop solution for the medical products. We are almost one of the largest exporter, manufacturer and importer in India, and we are based in Delhi, the capital city of India. Yeah, thanks a lot. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Kiran from Life Medical Systems. Welcome to India Med Expo. We are here at India Med Expo, High Tech City, Hyderabad. We are displaying our complete range of hospital furniture over here. We deal in hospital furniture, medical equipment, OT lights and tables. We have a manufacturing facility at Hyderabad, Nacharam, and also we are into trading of hospital equipments. We are based in Hyderabad, and we are also have an office at Visakhapatnam. We have motorized beds, manual beds, crash carts, emergency stretchers, hydraulic stretchers, a wide range of products what we have in our portfolio, and we deal with the international standard quality product. All our accessories what we use like Linac, Tente, Hyon, all the branded international standard quality accessories for our products, and we would like to see you at India Med Expo. Visit us and take a look at our products, and we also welcome you to visit our office at Taranaka, and you can check out our products at our website www.lifemedicalsystems.com. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. This is Ravi Prasad from Omega MedSearch. So we are channel partners for Wiproji Healthcare and Johnson & Johnson, and we import OT lights from UK, Brandon Medical, and we also have got very excellent products which are being made in India. My colleague who is the owner of MAP Industries based out of Gujarat, and every year we come here to exhibit our products, and my other colleague partner who is from Haryana. So we all bring all our equipment here to exhibit and give a better products every time, improvised products at a reasonable pricing to end customers, and also to serve the medical community with latest technologies and developments. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Hello, we are from O2 Medical Systems, Hyderabad. We are based in Hyderabad, but we deal with all the hospital services throughout India. We deal especially with ICU setup, hospital setup, ICU setup, OT setup, and then central gas pipelining, all other services. Like, we are the one-stop solution for all the hospital requirement, all the hospital needs. When you are planning to start a hospital, please get in touch with us. We'll give you a complete solution of what you get, where you get, and everything. And we also give the service for all the products, not only sale, we do the service also. We are a 11-year-old company, and we are very active in the market. We do for reselling and also for hospitals directly. We are the importers of all the multi-branded equipments. Like, you get all the, so as I said, you get all the ICU setup here, OT setup here, central gas pipelining, and all the accessories, the ambulance setup, whatever, everything related to hospital. We are the one-stop solution, which is O2 Medical Systems. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I'm Ronak Sareen from Sareen Surgical Products. We're based in Delhi, and we are the manufacturers and exporters of all the hospital hollowware items. You can reach to us. Website is sareensurgicals.com. You can contact us through that as well. Thank you so much.
I'm Vinila from Ravi Bio Impex. We are dealing with refurbished biomedical equipments, sales and services. We are located in LB Nagar, Hyderabad. And we are keeping the stall in India Med Expo for the past 5 years. The response was very good, and we are happy to be here, a part of this exhibition. And we are offering a very affordable prices for the customers, and we undertake CMCs and AMCs of the hospitals also. So our major customers are Apollo, Omni, Kamineni, and Star Hospital, Care Hospital, Virinchi Hospital and all. And thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.
My name is Satyam. मैं हॉस्पिलाइट इंडिया के नाम से अपनी फर्म चलाता हूँ, और ऑल ओवर इंडिया जो है वो वर्क हम लोग जो है ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन तो करते ही करते हैं, साथ में डीलर नेटवर्क में हमारा काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग नेटवर्क है, जिसके अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग काम करते हैं। आफ्टर सेल सर्विस के लिए जो हमारे डीलर्स हैं, इज़ लुक माई ब्रदर्स, वो लोग जो है इस मटेरियल को जो है आफ्टर सेल सर्विस डीलर देते हैं। वी कैन प्रोवाइड ओनली मटेरियल, एंड सेल सर्विस के लिए डीलर्स के थ्रू हमारा मटेरियल जाता है। जैसे अब ये जो हॉस्पिटल की OT लाइट्स हैं, लाइक दिस, एंड कोई भी लाइट है, सारी एल्युमिनियम बॉडी लाइट है। वी कैन नॉट यूजिंग द प्लास्टिक मटेरियल, और ओसराम की LED हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं इसके अंदर। एडजस्टेबल फोकस वगैरह सब कुछ है। जैसे डीलर को अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है 1 साल की सर्विस के अंदर, तो हम अपने यहाँ से स्पेयर पार्ट प्रोवाइड करते हैं। वो स्पेयर पार्ट जाते हैं और वो हम अपने डीलर के थ्रू असेंबल कराते हैं डॉक्टर के पास, और दिल्ली में हमारी सर्विस काफ़ी अच्छी है।
हेलो सर, आई एम दिव्या नावडिया फ्रॉम अहमदाबाद, गुजरात। एक्चुअली हम ये हमारी ऑन मेड कंपनी है। हम वी आर डीलिंग इन ऑल मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट लाइक OT, ICU, NICU, CSSD एंड कंप्लीट हॉस्पिटल सेटअप सर। एंड सर OT टेबल एंड OT लाइट्स वगैरह में हमारा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है। हम OT टेबल जो है CM कंफर्टेबल, एसेंट्रिक बेस, सेंटरिंग बेस वगैरह सब मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करते हैं। आफ्टर सेल्स हम सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करते हैं, एंड हमारी बायोमेडिकल इंजीनियर की पूरी टीम है अहमदाबाद। वी आर फ्रॉम अहमदाबाद, गुजरात। अहमदाबाद में हमारी कंपनी है, एंड माय कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर 7069228889। आप मुझे इस पर कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हो। थैंक यू।
Hi, I am Sikandar from company name is called Young India Biomedical Services. Actually, we do servicing of all type of biomedical equipments in like this. This is about that component level, chip level. Also that we are doing that servicing. That our company is that 30 years old company. and we are doing servicing all over India. All over India that we are doing that all type of equipment servicing like ventilators, dialysis machines, then defibrillators and like these heart lung machines, water concentrator, display, whatever that you please name it, we will do the servicing. All type of equipments we are doing servicing in component level. We have higher end testing equipments for doing diagnosing. Suppose like ECG and all. Actually ECG you are putting in the heart and lungs, that you are putting that pulse for that. Same like that we are having diagnosing machine. It's like it's a PCB board. We can zig that zigs to this PCB board. That computer we have that other computer. That itself we can diagnose that any type of PCB boards. We are doing that all over India, sir. Thank you, sir.
This is Anil Kumar. I am from AAA Surgicals. I am a managing director for this company. So I deal with the medical, surgical, orthopedic, all items, and we deal with especially for the wheelchairs, which is from Bombay. We have our partner brothers. They can talk to you regarding the other products what we sell from here. We are selling the stair climbing and the wheelchairs in all kinds, in electronic and manual.
Hi, I am Jamshed Dalal from CD Stair Climber. We have a stair climbing wheelchair which is used to take the patient upstairs as well as down the staircase, which is motorized. A single person, even a lady, can operate such a chair. We have manual versions also.
Hi, I am Dhruv Chaudhary. I'm the founder and CEO of Indent Designs. Ibex is our product. We are a Sign IIT Bombay incubated company. Ibex is designed out of brainchild being that all wheelchairs should go on our Indian roads. It is designed such a way that it is designed using cycle parts, easy to service, maintain, and it's very durable. It is both indoor friendly and outdoor friendly. We are grateful that we are partnering with AAA here. He can talk about his other products also.
So we deal with all the medical, surgical, orthopedic products. You can visit us. We are in Chainambar Chaurasta, which is nearer to the Amberpet, and we have our own website www.AAAsurgicals.com. You can visit us and you can buy any item from us. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Very good morning. I'm Tahir Khan. I'm the marketing head of BHN Surgicals Private Limited, and we are in the business from past 2 decades and more than 25 years. And we are mainly dealing with the surgical instruments, and we have participated in this exhibition and for displaying our products, which have a wide range covering from the surgical instruments. We are the main manufacturers. We have our company and we have our head office and manufacturing unit in Chennai, and we do have the branch offices also in Hyderabad and Bangalore. And we cover a lot of complete range of hospital equipments. That's why this is best hospital needs is BHN Surgicals Private Limited. And our MD, Mr. Basha, he'll be very soon joining us. And this is quite a range of products we have for the table mounts and as well as for the surgical instruments. It covers all the departments from general surgery, plastic surgery, hand surgery, obstetrics and gynecology, as well as the neurosurgery, as well as the orthopedic and other departments are well covered. We have a very good range of customer clients who are the major players in the hospitality, in the hospital sector. And here we are having a display of main is a mountain, table mount retractors. This is one of them. A few have been displayed here, and a few of them have been displayed here with the freehand retractors also. And the major requirements of the basic instruments is being showed here also.